Hello everyone, this is TinyBin. In this video, I will show you how to implement the filter by context feature for third-party products by using TinyBin Daz Content Manager. That is also the second case I want to talk about in Smart Content. I'm sure that you are all familiar with the filter by context feature in DazStudio. For example, let's load a shoe into the scene. Select this shoe and select all products in Smart Content, and then check this filter by context checkbox. After checking this checkbox, the relevant products who can apply on this shoe will be filtered. In this scenario, we can apply different materials on this shoe. So how are we going to implement this feature for third-party products? There are two ways to achieve the goal. For example, there are two files. The first one is a dress, and the other one is the textures for this dress. Generally, the third-party products contain no metadata. So, of course, we can use the combine install. Let's select these two files and click combine install, and regard these two files as one product. Select the category, analyze the metadata. Let's double-click the product we just installed. As you can see, these files belong to the texture product, and these files belong to the dress product. Let's drag to the right. All these material files have the same compatibilities, and the compatibility base is our dress. So all these materials point to the dress. Let's have a test. Let's close this window and back to DazStudio. Delete the shoe. Import the metadata for the dress. And we load the dress into the scene. Select this dress and select all products. Check filter by context. Bingo. Perfect. You can apply different materials on this dress. The second way is a little complicated. Let's uninstall this dress. And this time, we're going to install the dress only. And delete the dress and import the metadata. So this is the only dress product. And second, we're going to install the textures for this dress. Let's back to DazStudio and import the metadata of this textures product. There are two products. They are separated. Let's check the compatibilities for the textures. Double-click and drag to the right. The compatibilities are wrong because they are installed separately. When we install the textures, it cannot find the dress. So we have to change the compatibilities for the textures. Select all files and click Edit Compatibilities. Enter the criteria. So what is the name of the dress? Slinky. And check this Genesis 8 female, and check this Slinky summer dress. Accept. And click Save. re-import this metadata. So we can have a test now. Load address into the scene. And select address, select all products, and check filter by context. Done. So this is the second way to implement the filter by context feature in DazStudio for third-party products. Thank you for watching. Please visit my Patreon to download the application and learn more about the TinyBin Daz Content Manager.